Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning in my morning video, I was saying that there's a very good likelihood that we're going down in a wave A of wave 4. I think this right here could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, which is actually a 3, 4, 5 of wave 3 on the higher time frames. Now, the problem is we don't have a breaker structure yet, so we can't 100% confirm that. So if it does start to make like a higher low or a breaker structure to the upside, I would definitely go back to being bullish. But as of right now, I think there's a good chance it is going to make lower lows, lower highs. It's probably going to go down and take out this low in a wave A of wave 4. Then it will probably start a very corrective overlapping pattern for the wave B, and eventually another impulsive move down for the wave C of wave 4. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.